Hello, my friend. How are you doing? Welcome to Learning English with Ahmed. I would work with you in English courses, and I'm so excited to work with you. For a long time, I teach English for beginners. مرحبا بكم أصدقائي في درس آخر على قناة أحمد إنجليش. إذا أردت أن تتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية والتحدث بطلاقة، فابدأ اشترك في القناة وفعل الجرس ليصلك كل جديد إن شاء الله. Today we have the lesson of the verb to be. As you see here, how to make affirmative sentence. Now we can say how to make affirmative sentence. I'm from England. He is 10 years old. They are happy. This is affirmative forms. Now how to make questions with yes or no. Are you from England? Is she tall? Are they happy? Now for to give short answers. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. كما تلاحظون أصدقائي هنا the verb to be إنه أهم أو فعل محوري في اللغة الإنجليزية ذو خاصية زمنية، وهو فعل يعتمد عليه كافة الجمل in speaking and writing، في الكتابة وفي المحادثة. الآن تلاحظون معي كما قلت لكم سابقا أنها خاصية زمنية. الآن سأنتقل لأشرح لكم ما هي هذه الخاصية. The verb to be has full forms and contracted forms. Contractions يعني إدغام، يعني اختصار of the verb to be، لأن هذا الverb يعتمد على الاختصار. We normally use the contracted forms in speaking and in informal writings، في المحادثة وفي الكتابة. Not contracted after questions words. لنا يمكن أن نقول where are your forms? Where are your forms? Okay? Don't contract short answers. ولا ندغم أجوبة بسيطة أو مستخسرة. Yes, I am. No, yes, am. Yes, I am. لا يمكن أن نقول yes, I am مختصرة. Okay, it's clear؟ واضح هنا؟ الآن ننتقل إلى الأخطاء المتعمدة للتلاميذ أو للعامة. In English sentence, we obligatory with the verbs. The verb is so important. بعض التلاميذ لا يستخدمون الفعل. For examples, I'm very angry. No, I'm very angry. We can I'm very angry. I'm very angry. Or my brother in his room. My brother in his room. بعض التلاميذ يكتبون my brother in his room but my brother is in his room. هنا يتعمدون أن ينسوا الفعل، وهذا خطأ كبير. أنا أتحذركم to be careful. To be careful، تحذير من فضلكم، لأن هذا أهم خطأ يرتكبه التلاميذ في الاختبارات وفي المحادثة العامة. الآن ننتقل إلى تمرين بسيط. Complete the sentence questions with short answers. Look at the picture here. They are excited. For instance, they are excited. Are they sad? We can make questions. Are they sad? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Because we look here at the picture that they are excited. We move on to the number 2. Look at the picture here for the persons here. We can make that what we say that it's obvious that he said. واضح إنه he is sad. Sad حزين. Now we can make here that he is sad. For example, we can make questions that is he sad, or sorry, is he excited? Is he excited? But it's obvious, واضح في الصورة, it's obvious that he's sad, حزين, he's sad. Now we can make that, we can answer the questions that no, he isn't. No, he isn't. This is كما تكلمنا سابقا his contractions. This is the contractions. We can say that no, he is not. No, he isn't. كما قلت لكم contractions الإدغام والاختصار مهم for the verb to be and for the English in general, but بالخصوص in the verb to be. أرجو أن أكون خفيفا عليكم وأن يكون درس اليوم قد استفدتم منه. I hope that my English will be clear and my lesson will be useful for you. Until then, goodbye my friends.